In health news tonight, strep throat cases have been increasing around the country in recent months, and St. Joseph is no exception. Our Alex Simone speaks with local experts about the issue.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, cases of strep throat decreased during the COVID-19 pandemic, but have returned to pre-pandemic levels. Dr. Melvin McFarland, a primary care physician with Urgent Care Express, says the issue has been especially bad locally since the new year. It could be partially because people's immune systems are less resistant to strep after dealing with viruses, but kids sharing close quarters also could play a role.
After the holidays, we typically see a rise. Kids are back in school, so those things all can contribute to the rise that we're seeing now. But yeah, we definitely have noticed that rise is there.
Peacock Pediatrics nurse practitioner Sarah Sass says one of the top concerns when dealing with strep is that it can lead to rheumatic fever if left untreated, especially among children.
You want to make sure you treat it, so if there's a suspicion of strep, we want these kids to be seen, and that's kind of why you hear a lot about strep throat, even more so than like cold viruses. Because you do need an antibiotic to treat strep.
According to the CDC, rheumatic fever is one of the body's defenses against infection, and it can inflame or make the heart, joints, and brain swell. Symptoms of strep include fever, sore throat, and stomach aches, but those also can be signs of a virus, like a cold or the flu. McFarland says that's why it's important for patients to see a medical professional if there are any symptoms.
If you start getting those symptoms and they're lasting and you'll take your ibuprofen, your fever go away, and then as soon as you hit the end of the interval, fever's coming right back, yeah, you want to get looked at.
McFarland says cases could decrease as people start spending more time outside and the end of school approaches, but he anticipates numbers rising again when classes resume. Alex Simone, News Press Now.